Hallo zusammen. Mein Name ist Michael Windel. Ich bin
Hello everybody, my name is Michel Windel. I'm a technical trainer at Heidenhain. And today I'd like to introduce you to the new functions of the OCM cycles. First, we'll look at the new standard OCM shapes. Here we see various standard shapes, like rectangle, circle, polygon, and also borders. These shapes no longer need to be programmed as separate contours. Instead, they're now available as templates for simple entry of these standard shapes into the machining program. The OCM cycles thus assist us while programming, and so we reach our machining goals more quickly. Next, we'll take a look at the new OCM cutting data calculator. Here, I select the material that I want to use. The control now automatically calculates for me the appropriate cutting data for this material for this operation. I simply press Apply to load these values into the cycle automatically. This offers the advantage of being able to react very flexibly to different materials. I no longer need to consider which cutting values are optimal for the respective material and which ones need to be changed. The OCM cutting data calculator now does this for me. The next enhancement that we'll look at is the topic of deburring. The new deburring cycle, Cycle 277, now offers us the possibility of simply deburring contour edges. What the control does, it takes overlapping contours into account here, so that not all contours are completely machined again. Instead, only those areas that can actually be deburred are machined. Now that the entire program has been written, we can look at the simulation. In the simulation, we can already see the tool paths calculated by the Tnc 640. These paths are calculated based on the path overlap values that I prescribed while writing the program. This path overlap is maintained constantly, and the control continuously recalculates these paths so that they are always appropriate for the workpiece contour that I entered. Now the residual material is being machined and finished. So let's take a look at the deburring in detail. To do so, I reset the tool paths and let the deburring cycle run once. Here we can see that the paths are interrupted in certain areas. Precisely in these areas, the tool would now intrude into the neighboring contour with its shaft, resulting in a collision. The new OCM deburring cycle, Cycle 277, prevents such collisions for me by automatically recalculating the paths, resulting in machining operations that do not have any collisions. These are the benefits of the new OCM machining cycles on the Tnc 640. The standard shapes, which are of great assistance during programming, the OCM cutting data calculator, for quick reactions when workpiece materials differ, and the deburring cycle, for quick and easy deburring of the workpieces. Finally, let's take a look at the actual machining process.